So let me close this. Now if I want to find out some symbolic math operations, okay, let me clear this all thing. Okay, I want to see that the symbolic math toolbox. Okay, so now what is symbolic math toolbox? So symbolic math toolbox will let you to analyze and to perform some different differentiation works, some different integration works, some simplifications, or the transformations, or to solve some different equations there. Okay, now your computation can be performed either analytically, or you can use some variable precision different methods. For example, the arithmetics, or you can use this result to display in mathematical typeset. Okay, so this can be happening to symbolic math toolbox. So symbolic math toolbox provides the functions to to solve to solving some the plotting or manipulating some symbolic math equations, or you can also create and run, or also you can share some symbolic math the files using MATLAB live editor, right? So for that, what I can do is I'll first use this sims function syms, and declaring this x variable first. Okay, MATLAB will create for me this x variable into this sims function. It's taking time. Okay, yeah. You can see this is the symbolic math function. Again, I want to use this x. I want to declare some variables there into element. So again, I'm creating this 4 and again 6, and this the sim of like 1 divided by 2, again like sim 1 divided 3 divided by 4. So for that I'll use like 3 divided by 4. And if I apply this like this thing, so it will give me, I can apply this sim function on this x variables. Okay,